Epigenetics refers to the study of changes in gene expression or cellular phenotype that do not involve alterations in the underlying DNA sequence. In other words, epigenetic mechanisms influence how genes are turned on or off and how their activity is regulated, without changing the DNA sequence itself. These mechanisms play a crucial role in various biological processes, including development, aging, and disease. Epigenetic modifications include DNA methylation, histone modification, and non-coding RNA molecules. Here's a brief explanation of each. 1. DNA methylation. This involves the addition of a methyl group to a cytosine base in DNA, often occurring at specific regions called CpG islands. DNA methylation is typically associated with gene silencing, as it can inhibit the transcription of genes. 2. Histone modification. Histones are proteins around which DNA is wrapped, forming a structure called chromatin. Modifications to histone proteins, such as acetylation, methylation, and phosphorylation, can alter the accessibility of DNA to transcription factors and other molecules, thereby influencing gene expression. 3. Non-coding RNA. Non-coding RNAs are RNA molecules that are not translated into proteins. Some non-coding RNAs, like microRNAs, can interact with messenger RNAs, mRNAs, to regulate their translation into proteins. This can lead to post-transcriptional gene regulation. Epigenetic changes are essential for normal development and differentiation of cells in the body. However, they can also be influenced by environmental factors, such as diet, stress, toxins, and lifestyle choices. These environmental influences can lead to alterations in epigenetic marks, which might have significant consequences for health. Epigenetic changes have been implicated in various diseases, including cancer, cardiovascular disease, neurological disorders, and autoimmune conditions. For example, certain types of cancer can arise due to epigenetic modifications that lead to the inappropriate activation or silencing of specific genes involved in cell growth regulation. Similarly, epigenetic changes related to inflammation and immune response can contribute to autoimmune diseases. Research in the field of epigenetics is ongoing, and scientists are trying to understand how these mechanisms influence health and disease. The potential to modulate epigenetic processes opens up new avenues for therapeutic interventions. However, it's worth noting that while epigenetic changes can influence health outcomes, genetics and other factors also play a significant role, and the interactions can be complex and multifaceted. Created by Sasanka De Silva for the King's Exploit channel.